number 9 from your review packet for your quiz tomorrow, which says we have 2 moles of iodide going through a chemical reaction, and we're concerned about how many grams of this we make if we start with 28.6 grams of iodide monochloride. All right, so this is my known. This is what you get from the problem. When you read the question, 28.6 grams. So this becomes my A. What you know becomes your A. I put on the board the skeleton formula that I told you to use with the letters A and B. A for what you know, B for what you don't. So to help you out, every place there's an A, I put the iodide monochloride so that you know that the information that goes there is in reference to that molecule. Now, where we have the letter B is what we're looking for. We're looking for grams of iodide, okay? So where there's a letter B, I put I2, the 2 because it's diatomic. So now we can plug in all the information that we need. We start with mass of A, which is our given, which is the iodide monochloride. So I'm going to write 28.6 grams, all right? Now I'm just going to follow along my pick and fix. 1 mole of A here, so it's 1 mole over the mole of mass. The molar mass we calculated, and I show here how we get this number. It's the mass from the periodic table of the iodide plus the mass of the periodic table, from the periodic table, of the chlorine, and you get 162.35 grams. So you're going to have to make sure you know how to calculate molar mass for your test tomorrow. Next, where you see these 2 question marks, that's where we use the mole ratios from the chemical formula. So we have the mole ratio from the chemical formula for iodide is 2 from the balanced equation. Tomorrow you will not have to balance equations. Aren't you so happy? Yep. I'm sure you are. All right. And then we need the mole ratio from the balanced chemical equation from the iodide monochloride. That happens to be 5. All right. Now I need the molar mass of the iodide, which we calculated over here. The mass from the periodic table is 126.90, but I have 2 atoms of it, so that's times 2, which gives me 253.8. At least that's what you told me. Over 1 mole. So in order to find the answer now in your calculators, you're going to take 28.6 divided by 162.35 times 2 divided by 5 times 253.8. And who has the answer so I can write up? That's not on single day.
17.88.
What'd you get? 17.88? 17.88 grams of iodide. Or if you want to round that to 17.9 grams, that's fine. And this is how you have to record it on the test tomorrow. Okay? Thank you. Cut it out before she says